it's RAP4, Omar Mesa here. We're at Paintball Extravaganza in DC 2012. This is our booth. Basically, we're showcasing some of our products as well as some of our staple products that we offer as well. And of course, some of my favorite here. Anyway. So this is around the product wall. We're showing all the vast options that we offer. As well as some of the products that we've been selling for the past year. So the 250 round box mag, 43 caliber pistols, and of course the new products are out for this year. What we're showcasing this year especially is the 100 round First Strike and Paintball drum magazine. Looking at the MKV with some of its future customizations, such as trigger grip, the DMAG, which of course has had a lot of success this year, as far as the buzz is generated here, and also we're really excited to put this out. We've been showing how it functions, how you put it together, and really how inexpensive it is for the end user. So it's really good. As well as the internal airline system for the MKV once again. So now you're able to have with pretty much any of your TACAMO kits, you're able to run the air in stock or remote line in the stock. So it's something that people have been wanting to take out the braided hose line that goes down to the bottom of the grip, so we're now able to do that with all of our TACAMO line. And of course we're also showing some of the big dogs here. M60 with a 250 round box mag, the M240 also with a 250 round box mag, the M249, and newest for this year that will be out pretty soon is the Barrett M82 A1 magazine fed First Strike hopper capability, as well as the so this is it right here. This is a product officially licensed by Barrett. Has a very good weight to it. So again, we're excited to show all these products that are coming up for 2012. On this wall here, we're showing the air options for the Phenom air through kit, this is representative of everything we can do with the TACAMO kits. So we have air adapters to go to the air in stock or air through stock, but using the remote line. And again, we're showing different configurations, different markers. This is the TACAMO MK5, so the TACAMO kit for the A5, and again, different configurations for the Phenom kit as well. So different buttstock options. Retractable buttstock, UMP stock, SOCOM stock here to the right. Nothing to show here. This is the new magwell showing for the Phenom. This new magwell is a DMAG magwell. We've decided to close up the gap here by integrating the trigger guard to the magwell, just closing the lines up a little bit versus the previous generation of the Phenom kit, as well as showing our T68s with the latest generations of technology that we have included, such as a lock bolt for the T68, which has really done a great job at preventing chops all across the board. And of course, we'll implement those systems in all of our markers in the months to come. And of course, looking at the DMAG, we're showing the different capabilities or different sizes. So we have a 14 round, so it's a twin stack 7 round. This would be the 20 round, a twin stack 10 round, and we also have a twin stack 15 round that we've been showing around here. So very important for us this year is the DMAG. DMAG has brought in definitely a lot of questions, a lot of buzz, how we're able to get the price point so low for customers and still offer all the advantages that these magazines will offer, such as using First Strike, Paintball. It is a dual stack design, so basically even in the event that you have a failure in one half of the magazine, you're able to remove it and not lose out the whole contents of the magazine as you would have with any other magazine system. So go ahead and start showing you this. So it's mounted on an MKV with some of our future accessories that will be available, such as the trigger frame with the integrated ergonomic interface. This will be available for e-grip versions and mechanical. We'll start with mechanical. So something to show. Again, so the DMAG. This is the DMAG here, and basically the DMAG works. It's just twin stack design. It has these integrated ball stoppers that also double up as the follower release once it's started into the mag well. Let me show you how it functions in the mag well. So this is the mag well for the Phenom. Basically, it takes a mag well to release a paintball. So the thing of accidentally releasing or snagging your magazine against any surface or anything and ejecting all your paintballs is really a thing of the past with this system because of this reason. So it really, again, takes this loaded into a mag well in order for the follower to come out and be available. So if you can see right now, basically stack number 1 has ejected its paintballs, and well, we'll cheat here, but normally you would have the twin stack, so we'll release it. Now we will show the second one again. So that's exactly how it functions. Basically, once you go to each side, it will release the paintballs in that given side. So this is your spent magazine, I can say. Now, to take this apart, to disassembly and clean up and everything else, it's really quite simple. It's just really a snap fit together design. It's an outer shell within the inner core, so we remove one side at a time, unclip it. All these components are mirrored there, that we are able to basically. This is especially for store owners. They're able to have stock one of each part, and that way they can supply their customers whatever they need if in the event that something fails or breaks and so forth. So, but even so, the price point on this is so low that it might even be worth it. So again, the magazine contains locking mechanism, bottom spring plate, follower, spring. And so this is pretty much what the contents of each stack is. So again, it doubles right up, same exact scenario. Second spring. We're losing that one. Okay. We put the follower there behind it this time. So of course you have 2 followers, 2 spring plates, and 2 locking devices. At this point you still have the inner core. This will be available in different lengths for the different lengths of the magazines. Again, this comes in 3 variations, so 14 round, 20 round, and 30 round. And this is a dual stack design. It's a dual 7, dual 10, and dual 15. At this point, we remove the activation bar, so we're left with the outer shell. Again, will be available in different lengths and these parts. So again, the way that this functions is as this gets inserted into the mag well, this thing rolls down. That in turn activates the spring plate, releases the follower, and that is the first moment the paintballs are pressurized within the DMAG. Anytime before that, DMAG is not pressurized, so you're able to store your paintballs in the DMAG for a prolonged period of time. Again, these are the mechanisms that will activate everything. So it's a very simple, straightforward design. No screws, nothing, no hinges, nothing to really foul up. So very simple by nature. Okay, the next product that we're showcasing this year is the drum mag, the dual drum mag. This is a 100 round paintball or first strike magazine. It'll come in 2 configurations. We're looking at doing a spring fed. This is a spring fed prototype at this point. It's spring fed and also a motorized version to obtain the same amount of pressure throughout the whole load. That way it's really good in the softest of paintballs. That is the plan with this, and of course we'll have a lot more information about this in the months to come. Okay, and well, let's see what the best thing, of course, see it loaded on one of our MKV units. And again, so I mean, this really gives you everything you want. This is a magazine that will allow you to shoot in any angle. So basically, I mean, if you're bunkered up and you want to turn this around, stick it out, I mean, again, great design. It'll allow you to do a lot of different options when shooting this thing. With an ergonomic interface, so even with a full load of paintballs, you basically have this whole thing. Left-handed shooters, I mean, you basically have a full variety of basically positions as far as battle rifle. Okay. Also on this model, we're showing the internal air line capabilities, so you no longer need to have a braided hose line down the bottom of your marker. All Takamo kits will basically have the capability to be switched to internal air line. As you can see, we've put the air pipe running to the flexi air adapter. It has a special linkage that allows it to move past the air pipe, and we basically are changing the power tube with a larger valve volume to accommodate all these systems.